Unlock ultimate workflow automation by mastering SignNow Templates for Zapier integration. First, let's dive into SignNow. Navigate to the Templates section from your dashboard here. You'll create a new template that acts as the blueprint for your automated documents. As you build your template, pay close attention to adding fields. These are crucial. Think of them as placeholders that Zapier will use to pull information from other applications and populate them into your document. When adding fields, choose the most appropriate type. For example, use a text field for names or addresses, a drop-down for selecting predefined options, or checkboxes for yes/no answers. Ensure your field names are clear and descriptive, as these will be referenced in Zapier. Once you've added all necessary fields and are happy with your template layout, ensure you save it. A well-organized template with clearly labeled fields is the foundation for successful Zapier integration. Now, let's head over to Zapier. You'll start by creating a new Zap, which is essentially your automated workflow. Choose the application that will trigger your workflow. This could be anything from a new row in a spreadsheet to an incoming email. For the action step, select SignNow. You'll then choose a trigger event within SignNow, such as creating a document from a template. This is where your custom-built template comes into play. In the next step, Zapier will ask you to select your template. Once chosen, you'll see all the fields you added in SignNow here. You'll map the data from your trigger application to these specific SignNow fields. For example, you'll match the customer name from your spreadsheet to the customer name field in your SignNow template. Finally, test your Zap to ensure all data is flowing correctly. Once confirmed, turn on your Zap, and you've successfully automated your document signing process with a SignNow template integrated with Zapier, streamlining your business operations.